The online income revolution. Your journey starts now. Hey everyone, it's your name and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of online income. We're going to explore the top methods that are absolutely crushing it in 2025, and trust me, the opportunities are bigger than ever. Now you might be wondering, why even bother with online income? Well, the beauty of it is the freedom and flexibility it offers. Imagine setting your own hours, being your own boss, and having the potential to scale your earnings beyond what you ever thought possible. Plus, you can reach a global audience from anywhere in the world. It's about taking control of your financial future. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to building a sustainable income stream online, then you're in the right place. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. For expertise. Imagine the freedom of setting your own schedule and working from anywhere you want. Now you might be thinking, Graham, what if I don't have any in-demand skills? What if I'm just starting out and don't know where to begin? Don't worry, there are tons of platforms out there like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer that connect freelancers with clients all over the world. These platforms are a great place to start, even if you're a complete beginner. And the best part? Many of the most sought-after skills can be learned online. There are countless resources from YouTube tutorials to comprehensive courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy. We're talking about things like graphic design, writing, coding, digital marketing. These are skills that businesses are constantly looking for, and with dedication and practice, you can master them. And let me tell you, the demand is only going up. As more businesses move online, the need for skilled freelancers continues to grow. So, how do you actually land your first client? It might seem daunting, but it's all about strategy and persistence. Well, it all starts with building a killer portfolio that showcases your skills. Your portfolio is your chance to make a great first impression. Even if you're just starting out, you can offer your services at a discounted rate to gain experience and build up those testimonials. Positive reviews can significantly boost your credibility. Remember, your portfolio is your online resume. Make it shine. Include your best work, detailed descriptions, and any relevant achievements. Way. Don't be afraid to reach out and pitch your services. And here's the thing about freelancing. It's not just about making some extra cash on the side. It's about creating a sustainable and potentially lucrative career. You can absolutely build a full-time, sustainable income from freelancing. With the right approach, freelancing can offer a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. I know people who are making 6 figures or more working from their laptops, and you can too. The sky's the limit when it comes to freelancing. Dropshipping, selling without the inventory. Headache. Next up, let's talk about dropshipping. This business model has exploded in popularity, and for good reason. It's a low overhead way to get started with e-commerce. So, what exactly is dropshipping? It's simple. You create an online store, list products, and when someone places an order, a third-party supplier handles the inventory and shipping directly to your customer. You never have to touch the product. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't need to invest thousands of dollars in inventory up front. You can test different products and niches without the risk. This flexibility allows you to pivot quickly if something isn't working. Plus, you can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Imagine working from a beach or a cozy cafe. The possibilities are endless. Now, setting up a dropshipping store is easier than you might think. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it incredibly user-friendly. You can have a professional-looking store up and running in no time. The key to success with dropshipping is finding trending products that people actually want to buy. There are tons of tools and resources out there to help you with product research. Think about solving a problem or fulfilling a need, and remember, it's crucial to partner with reliable suppliers who offer quality products and fast shipping. Do your due diligence and read reviews before you commit. Dropshipping is all about finding the right product and marketing it effectively. You can leverage social media, paid advertising, and influencer marketing to drive traffic to your store. The beauty of this model is that it allows you to focus on what you do best, whether that's marketing, customer service, or product research. With the right approach, dropshipping can be a highly profitable venture. It's all about staying adaptable and continuously learning. So, if you're looking to start an online business without the inventory headache, dropshipping might just be the perfect fit for you. Get started today and see where this exciting journey can take you. And remember, it's crucial to partner with reliable suppliers who offer quality products and fast. Chapter 3. Affiliate Marketing. Get paid to promote what you love. Now let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. This is one of my favorite ways to make money online because it's all about providing value to your audience. So, how does it work? You partner with a company or individual who has a product or service to sell. You promote their offerings to your audience through unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. You're simply connecting your audience with solutions they're looking for. There are tons of affiliate programs out there for just about every niche imaginable. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate are just a few popular options. The key to success with affiliate marketing is creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, anything that educates, entertains. Chapter 4. YouTube Content Creation. Turn your passion into profits. Finally, let's talk about YouTube content creation. This platform has revolutionized the way people share and consume content, making it a powerful tool for anyone looking to turn their passion into a profitable venture. If you're passionate about something and you love being in front of the camera, this could be the perfect online income stream for you. Whether it's cooking, gaming, beauty, or tech reviews, there's an audience out there waiting to connect with your unique perspective. Now, you might be wondering, how do YouTubers actually make money? It's not just about uploading videos and hoping for the best. There are strategic ways to monetize your content. Well, there are a few different ways. Understanding these can help you maximize your earnings and make your channel sustainable. The most common is through advertising revenue. When you enable ads on your videos, you get paid a portion of the ad revenue generated. The more views your videos get, the more ad revenue you can earn. When you run ads on your videos, you get paid a portion of the ad revenue. But that's not all. There are other lucrative opportunities as well. You can also make money through sponsorships where brands pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. This can be a significant source of income, especially if you have a large and engaged audience. And of course, you can leverage affiliate marketing on YouTube as well. By promoting products and including affiliate links in your video descriptions, you can earn a commission on any sales generated through your links. The key to success on YouTube is to pick a profitable niche that you're passionate about. This ensures that you stay motivated and consistent in creating content. This will make creating content so much easier and more enjoyable. When you love what you do, it shows in your videos, and your audience will appreciate it. Once you've found your niche, it's all about creating engaging content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Consistency is key, so make sure to upload regularly and interact with your audience. Think about what problems your audience is facing and how you can provide solutions. This not only helps you build a loyal following but also establishes you as an authority in your niche, and don't forget about SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial for getting your videos discovered by a wider audience. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos rank higher in search results. This increases your chances of being found by people interested in your content. The more visible your videos are, the more views and subscribers you'll get. This visibility is essential for growing your channel and increasing your revenue. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it can be incredibly rewarding. It's a journey that requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. You have the potential to reach a massive audience, build a loyal following, and generate a significant income. So start creating, stay consistent, and watch your passion turn into profits. Take action. Your online income journey starts today. So there you have it. 4 powerful methods to unlock online income in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to diversify your income streams, there's an opportunity out there for you. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start exploring these methods, find what resonates with you, and get to work. The world of online income is waiting for you. Let me know in the comments below which method you're most excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Until next time,